La penjo no bema neno ka Fred Osuru ka ni dandora penjo kaendi. Wacho ni Ramogi oimore Trevor. Mos na dakteche man kanyo. Penjo gini ni en ber mane ma iwacho ni nitiere SHA to pek mane ma sirikal no neno mok nyal bero godo NHIF.
Okay, Wachak, I like the way my colleague Uwoyo, but abo reverse Martin. Nikech one experience ki social health insurance. To Abe, I was a benefactor of NHIF. To NHIF no bear. For me as a worker, it was fantastic. The Nadi Agakan, Nitenda was a team operation, no problem. Abe Asebedo admitted, no problem. You walk in and walk out. But Samanowati gi indigents, Jomaonge pesa. Nikech ni wachulonigi. We were paying for these people. Wagore gi NHIF for the last 2 years. Katasani, NHIF nigi pesa wa. Okay? In fact, community health workers moko, Makisumu, no work NHIF no. We don't want, give us the money. Miwa pesa. So, there were several things, structure mar NHIF was not right. To ingeni almost 20 years ago, Samaki Baki then president. Tongilu was the minister. Neotero Gigmoro parliament. Bagi come up with something called the Social Health Insurance Fund Act. Nikech Gimanoa Dwaro and NHIF was a radical shift. Okay, and just cosmetic shift. Koro cosmetic shift, the radical shift is looking at the 80% or looking at the 20%. Again, one ranga the 20%. Nikech the 20% kata an, I'm inconvenienced right now. Nikech for the last 1 month, I won't get insurance. Insurance mar Kisumu, comprehensive, no, it's got finished last month. For the last 3 weeks, actually cash from my pocket. Emma, this month, we're hire private insurance for ourselves. But wangeni nyakawarang the bigger picture. Okay, the small picture. The smaller picture and I am losing. Sani, I will pay more. 2, I won't get comprehensive insurance. 3, county government nyakachul private insurance for me. But looking at the bigger picture, mag the 80%, jo sickle cell manka, jo mandala moknyal chulo. These are the people we are looking at. To kikwi arguing any argument bedo a shift so much. Okay, primary healthcare fund. Ingeni nitie 3 funds. Nitie primary healthcare fund, nitie chronic illness fund, to nitie shift. Gimaji gore en shift, the contributory fund. Kama ichulo pesa martin, kose a little bit more money. Money is where the problem is. The problems are things which should be dealt with, and I agree. Nikechki di Rwanda, you don't need, there is a cap. To nitie a premium cover, makonyojo, for example, civil servants and teachers. Katakidi Ghana, it is the same thing. But Mago had solved political questions and answers. Nikech, the method of payment, tax-based, Gima Aden Wacho is the best actually. Nikech, it charge everybody. You actually wabo medo tax by 2%, VAT by 2%. Koro pesa magi emwa choko wa miyo health system. But some elections, you choose. Some manifesto, I'm going to do A, B, and C. Koro, the decision of that you use a tax-based system, kata insurance-based system, is a political question.
Okay.
So, kama Kenya, what I've seen, all the politicians talked about an insurance-based system. Koro, one, we are looking at how do we make this insurance system work. So, someone wa timo maro again. No afwenyo ni it is impossible to tell everybody to pay. No, double the number of insurance patients from 10% to 20%. But most of them never pay. Okay. Primary health care should be tax-based. Kawaduaro secondary health care, chulo. Okay. So that is where we are, and that is the principle. Koro, we must not ban, and I like Gima Adeno. The problem is in the implementation and the administration, but not the concept.
Okay.
Not the bill, and not the insurance itself.
So,
when you argue, yeah, they should have done this team gig, but all in all, and something which is good. It is something that should baby.
Okay. Dr. Ganda tiri ngamapenjo ka endi wacho ni lonya kwar guo kan baba Ansel ka wuok osele. Apenjo ni ngama nigi gowi NHIF to dwa donje SHA timo nango to ichulo pesa di dwe ka dwe.
Koro sani CHVs of bedo trained gibo dhi house by house registering people.
Okay.
To kok kamano inyalo dhi hospital mora mora tibedo registered e hospital no. Kok kamano inyalo dhi to NHIF office.
Okay.
But kin gi smartphone, you can actually do it from your smartphone. I'll have to look for that and star something michulo to register in
Star
one
147
simu
hash.
mari.
Okay.
Koro kise register star 147 hash, yeah. Kise donjo star 147 hash to register yourself.
Okay.
Then you will move into SHA.
Erokamano. Miss Kela, wach mogik.